Hi everyone and welcome to Studio the Soil, and here's my introduction into the polymer clay course. I'm so happy to see you here and I hope that this course is going to be helpful. I wanted to share a little bit about myself. I've been working with the polymer clay for the last 5 years and a little bit more because my story with the polymer clay is pretty on and off, and I really thought that media, it's endless possibilities and imagination. Everything you can think of, you pretty much can create out of the polymer clay, and that's what I personally love about it. I created this course mostly for the people who are interested and haven't tried the polymer clay yet, or they started but they still have a lot of questions where to go and what to do. I'm going to be sharing my personal experience, everything I learned in my 5-year journey working with the polymer clay. I'm also going to share some tips, my personal tips, something that I've seen somewhere. I try to include the basic information about the polymer clay, how to work with it, and what do you need in order to work with it. I divided this course into 6 lessons where I'm going to be talking about the polymer clay, what is it, what is it made of. Then I'm also going to be talking about the minimal material set that you need in order to start working with the polymer clay. Also, I'm going to share with you how to mix polymer clay, how to condition it, how you can create your own colors. Then we also gonna talk about the baking process, because this is most important part about the polymer clay. And also in the end, you will have 2 tutorials on how to create some miniature food or the earrings.